Once the lender gives it to you, you have 10 days to respond. So I would hate for that thing to be sitting in your mail and unopened and you miss your 10-day window.
Hey guys, my name is Andrew McMillan. I'm here with REH Halstead, and today we're going to give another PPP update.
Hey guys, how's it going? Since the last time we updated you, there's been two pretty significant developments when it comes to PPP. One of them is the fact that they are now requesting a Form 3509 from anybody who had a PPP loan of $2 million or more. Now, what this 3509 is, it's a PPP loan necessity questionnaire where the loan reviewers for the SBA really want to see how necessary it was for people over $2 million to have received these funds. You know, when small businesses applied for the PPP, they had to make what was called a good faith certification that they needed these funds in order to continue business due to the economic uncertainty of the coronavirus. Now, everybody that was under $2 million pretty much got a pass and said, hey, yes, if you're under $2 million on these loans, then you're fine. You don't need to worry about it. We're just going to assume that you're going to meet the certification. But everybody over $2 million, be aware that we may come and ask for you to prove that you really needed these funds. And that's what we're seeing now with this Form 3509. The other thing about the 3509 is that once it's requested from the business, they have 10 days to respond. So if you have a PPP loan of $2 million or greater, you need to check with your lender and see if they have sent you that request. Because like I said, once the lender gives it to you, you have 10 days to respond. So I would hate for that thing to be sitting in your mail and unopened and you miss your 10-day window. Another one of the big developments is the fact that the IRS has come out with new guidance on the deductibility of expenses that the PPP funds were used for. You know, they came out several months ago and said, yeah, the income isn't taxable, but you're not going to be able to deduct the expenses for which you use those funds for the PPP. Mm-hmm. And what they've done is they've come back and reiterated that again. In fact, given us some more guidance because there were some unknowns as far as, you know, when you received the forgiveness versus when you had to apply that to your tax return. So some thought that, well, if I don't get forgiveness till 2021, then that'll be on my 2021 tax return, or even if I wait till 2022, then it won't be till that tax return. The IRS has come out and plainly said that if you expect forgiveness, if you receive PPP loan in 2020 and you expect forgiveness, then you have to recognize that on your 2020 tax return. So they cleared some things up there to help us out with some tax planning. We're really hoping that the government's going to step in and say that, you know, you are still going to be able to deduct those expenses, but as of right now, they've made it pretty clear you're not going to be able to. So you'll definitely want to take that into consideration in your tax planning.
Thanks, Ray. Once again, this is Andrew McMillan. I'm here with REH Halstead, and that's your PPP update. Feel free to give us a call if you have questions.